Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Porsche Boxster engine compartment using an easy method. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the ignition is off. You'll find the primary release lever inside the cabin, typically near the driver's door sill. A quick, firm pull on this lever will unlatch the rear deck lid, giving you initial access. This simple step is crucial for proceeding to the engine bay. Once the interior lever is pulled, head to the back of your Boxster. The rear deck lid will be slightly ajar. Gently lift it a few inches to reveal a secondary release mechanism. This is usually a small button or lever located centrally underneath the lid's edge. Pressing this will fully disengage the latch, allowing the deck lid to open completely. With the deck lid fully open, you'll see the engine cover itself. This cover is typically secured by 2 or 3 quick-release fasteners. These are usually large, flathead screws or clips. Turn each fastener 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to unlock them. Once all fasteners are released, you can carefully lift off the engine cover, revealing the engine bay for inspection or maintenance. Now that you have access, remember to perform routine checks like oil and coolant levels. Also, inspect your belts and hoses for any cracks or fraying to prevent future issues. Keeping your engine compartment clean can also help identify leaks early. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Regular maintenance ensures your Boxster runs smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.